My name is Audrey, your cultural guide and local host. I personally lead handcrafted custom tours and cultural vacations in northern Italy, sharing the Italy we love with guests, looking to experience places not on the main tourist trail, offering meaningful and genuine experiences that most tourists miss out on. Creating a casual and authentic experience is my specialty. Everybody has a different view on how to travel and what their ideal or preferred way is. I believe that to truly see a country, one must experience it, going beyond the tourist trail and exploring its lesser-known regions, participating in the local culture and traditions, trying new foods, engaging in the unique activities typical of the area, gaining personal insight and knowledge. With over 35 years in the travel industry, I started my company specializing in customized tours in Europe. Europe has been my backyard since early childhood. My husband was born and raised in Friuli, and between the two of us, we speak 6 different languages. It's much more than a business. It's my passion to create for you a memorable travel experience, to help you think outside of the guidebook, past the preconceived ideas, understand, appreciate, enjoy, connect with the local beauty of northern Italy and its people. Have you discover and fully embrace the diversity of the culture you're visiting as the locals do, without sacrificing comfort and security. What I do is much more than a business to me. I design all your vacations in places my husband and I call home, places we know very well and where we speak the local languages. This allows me to design the best possible experiences, as I know firsthand where I'm taking you. We know you can get yourself to the Uffizi Gallery or the Colosseum, and you should. But our focus is to bring you deeper into the everyday life of northern Italy, where our friends, artisans, and local producers are waiting to share their way of life with you. Limiting our groups to a maximum of 6 to 7 people enables me to give your group the attention it deserves. From your arrival to departure, I take care of all the land arrangements, assisting you in seeing places from an insider's perspective and ensuring your vacation is a success. If you're always avoiding tours because you didn't want to be herded around by people in large groups trying to stick to an overloaded schedule, then I invite you to join me. I want to help you experience northern Italy's gems, regions away from the main tourist trail. Local traditions, farm-to-table regional foods, regional wines, hiking, and cycling through phenomenal nature. My favorite moments are when a guest turns to me and says, "I just feel like I'm traveling Italy with a good friend who knows all the locals, like traveling with a friend who introduces you to her favorite places and people." Looking forward to seeing you in Italy.